Work culture. Work culture you heard about. Now it is turn of the organizational culture. Culture in which you grow at your home or wherever you have born and brought up. Further you grow, your home and in the organization. Basically, organizational culture, it cannot be individual based culture. Any individual, a person coming from south or north or east or west or center Bharat, it should not be that. Suppose a person is coming from Assam to work in your organization, so he cannot dictate or he cannot say that make the culture Assam based. Other is coming from south, he will dictate to make the culture of as part to south culture. Idli, sambar, dosa, chai. A person is coming from Bihar, you cannot expect and you will not allow him to make a dedicated culture commensurating to Bihar culture. What do you do? Because you employ the people in your organization, and you have to employ the people not from one caste and community, but basically from the open caste and community. Let the people come from any walk of the life. They will join your organization. And what happens? Another culture is the mob culture. Means what? 10 people from the south, if they have joined your organization, then they cannot dictate the term that we are the 10 people to make the organization culture at part to south culture. Or from the east, 15 people have joined, 5 people have joined. They cannot come together to claim that the organization culture should be like at par to our east, northeast, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. No. Then which culture is required? Because organization is driven by people. It is people organization. People need something. How they should be behaved. When they reached at reception, what they are expecting as far as culture is concerned. How their attendance will be recorded. How tea, coffee should be served. How lunch will be given. How individual respect can be expected. All these are, if you vandal, then it challenge to the organizational culture. Then management philosophy starts thinking what is the solution of it. Then they work out a cosmetic culture. A cosmopolitan culture. And ask people to work well within the culture, cosmopolitan culture, customized culture in the organization. For example, always I give very lower level example, ground level example, so that it goes and fit it into your mind. For example, in the morning, first cultural impact is signature. Earlier, it was the manual signature, doing it on the register, and most probably register either it was being kept at the reception or at the place of vice president HR or in the HR department or at the place of director with the PA. So this was the going on before systemization, when manual work style was there. When business grown, when volume grown, system came. There is a biometric machine. When you come in the morning, culture is established, be in queue, come and punch your finger, accepted, go in. That is the way. Come, do this process, go at your workplace. Second culture, which is also very touching to each one. You need tea. Now someone will say that as soon as I reached my workstation, I need a tea, I need coffee, I need milk. So company what does? They standardize, नहीं भाई चाय मिलेगा सबको. और एक लेवल के बाद से वाइस जनरल मैनेजर एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, they can alternatively go for the coffee. Milk is not available, protein is not available. So these kind of the things in such corporate company they do it. I am not refusing at all. They serve the soup also. They serve the cold drinks also. Varieties of. But those are very few organizations, corporates. But in general, it is standardized to serve the tea. Now another very small thing. One comes, he says that I want tea right now. Second comes, he says he goes bathroom and all these things. He cleans his, he keeps his workstation ready. Means you can imagine after 40 minutes from the reporting at the biometric. Other starts asking for tea, coffee or milk. Then another comes. Then he, after that he also starts asking. So in 1 hour, 3 people, 3 times, they order 3 things. So how you will sort it out, this cultural issue? So very simple. All will be served tea at 11:30. When? 11:30. So when you know, when employee knows that whatever I say, nothing is going to be accepted, it is the tea which will come to me at 11:30 or between 11:30 to 11:45. So you have to keep your mouth under control, and you will not dictate or you will not shout, you will not cry, you will not disturb the environment just because of the tea, coffee as per your choice. You are well aware that you are vice president, don't worry, you will get the coffee or tea, whatever you say. but all will get between 11:30 to 11:45. Before to that, after to that, no tea, nothing at all. So this is the organizational culture. Small, beginning at the gate. Culture says that if you want to proceed on leave, then you have to first get the leave approved by your HOD and you hand it over to HR department, otherwise you cannot proceed. And if you are proceeding, then disciplinary action will take place. Then you do it. And in exceptional cases, sometimes it happens that you are at the site or workplace which is far away from your head office. Then you rang up to your HOD and your HOD in turn rang up to HR head that भाई ऐसा ऐसा हो गया है, राधे श्याम के यहाँ पर ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, and I have allowed him, we have to regularize. These are the exceptional cases. But culture says that first you apply, get it approved, then hand over to HR. HR will give you a memo that your leave is approved from so and so period and you have to report back your duty on so and so date. After getting this memo, you can proceed. Filing system. Culture related to filing system. Every day before you call up the day, you have to file all your paper. Or you have to get it filed, but it is your duty because it is organizational culture. That paper should not be left loose in the drawer of the employee. In many organizations you will see that drawer is overcrowded with the paper, very very poor way. But no, there is the culture in some organization or most of the organization that whatever paper you have worked, you have to get it filed in the concerned file, or you cannot leave the job. And if you are leaving, then there is the communication audit. Those guys, every day evening before when you go out of the office, they open your drawer and they take the call that how papers are dumped or kept and drawer is clean, and they report to MD, and then in turn next day you will get the action as decided by the management. So organizational culture also gives trouble or problem to people, but once you get acquainted with it, it gives the pleasure. And you must care the culture, because organization cannot make individual based culture. It will be always cosmopolitan culture which suits to all the employee coming from all the walk of the life and from the different direction. Hope it will help you when you are in organization. Do take care of all these small things and be happy at the place of the work. Thank you very much.